If you want to start using TradingView, you should click on the link in the description to create an account and get $15 off when upgrading. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change time in TradingView. On your TradingView account, on the upper right corner, you'll see there a hexagon type of icon, which is the setting icon for TradingView. Click on that, and then you will see here the symbol. Select on that. In here you'll be able to see the time zone. Just click on that and choose your time zone, so it will change the time for your TradingView account. In this case, I select the Luxembourg time zone, and that's it. You've successfully changed your time in TradingView. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.